And we have another one right here, right now. Yo, this right here is kind of like a language barrier situation. You know what I mean? Yo, please subscribe, like the video. Let's just get right into it.
On March 21st, 2025, an officer pulled over a vehicle for excessive speed.
It's always on March.
Deputy Davidson, Sheriff's Office. The reason why I'm stopping you, had you at 85 miles an hour coming into the 45.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45 mile an hour zone.
Back there it says 55.
He's still over 30, 30 something.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
She was hauling
This
ass.
section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. Okay.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
Yes.
I'll be right with you.
Now I believe her license is okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that's the issue.
Right. Here's your license. Oops, sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does
not going for the 85.
So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount. All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean?
Deputy Davidson. It's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked.
She said, "What you mean?"
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's
I
Deputy
did
Davidson.
I did not ask you that.
Okay.
You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is...
Okay, let me let y'all know something. I'm a Haitian myself. I'm Zoe. Now, she this is new to her right here. All right? So this is very, very new to her relatively, and she is trying to understand what the hell is a hearing.
It's too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Writing choice in the roadway, one appears to be in Denver.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
Well,
supposed to.
I'm just going to tell you a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest
Okay.
me because I do not understand what you're talking about?
He just told you. It's just saying that you're going to go to...
Oh,
I don't understand what you don't know what I'm saying to you. I had your speed at...
hold on. Let me call one.
Let's phone a friend, shall we?
Okay, so this is the deal. You were doing
Phone call.
85 miles an hour
Hold on a second,
and a
sir.
45.
I just told you I am.
These chicks, they be having no license, no insurance, no registration, but they phone be on like a mug.
Making a phone call.
Listen, I'm not here to make phone calls.
Okay,
We're-
so you want me to sign something that
Yes.
I'm not comfortable with, and then I said, let me.
You're signing.
Because
you're-
you said you're going to arrest me for
Yes.
something that I do not
Yes.
understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need
I'll
to
explain
call my
again.
family member.
You don't have to call your family member.
Yes,
You're an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
Okay, you can tell it's about to go left.
I'm telling you right now.
You go right. I have my rights.
Okay,
My rights.
driving is a privilege.
She said she got her rights. I said it's about to go left.
It's not a right. We're going to start out with that. So again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45 mile an hour speed.
And I said I was not. I was
Okay.
55.
We're not going to argue road sign. That's
Sure.
something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding.
See how the cops determine your speed is they get behind you while you're speeding, and then they keep the same distance. Keep the same speed that you're traveling, and then they read their speedometer and see what number pops up.
Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside.
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not saying you're
What?
not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court
I
date.
am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
Do you want my supervisor to explain this?
It's only saying that you're going
He
to
is right
court.
behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to arrest you for calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing, saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that,
Okay.
sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest
Okay.
me for that.
All right. It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
He's telling you that he can't.
I'll be right with you.
Just one thing when you interact with cops, don't
You
think that
can't
they're lying
leave.
to you.
You want to go to jail today? You
She
want to
about to
go to
go.
fucking jail today? You want to stop your car and put it in park right now?
Okay.
Get out of the car right
No,
now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
Get
cannot.
out of the fucking
no,
car.
I'm not. Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me. You're not, sir.
Okay, here's the attitude, and here's the misunderstanding, and here's the left off talking
He's
about.
not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No, he's
telling
not.
you, why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him, he walked away from me.
I said hold tight right
He
now.
said, hold on. He
Sir,
said,
I was talking to him.
he indicated that he was coming back.
So you would drive
And
away
you-
while he's got your driver's license and all your
He
paperwork?
gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no, I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for?
So this is all the reasons why she pulled off, because she's angry. That's all. You put off because you're angry.
You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, wait, was it 30 over?
85 and a 45.
Okay. So,
Sir,
yeah,
I
so.
was doing 55.
Hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55, it doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Yeah, you're not going to sign it, yes or no?
No.
Okay,
And then I will go to the judge.
okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a
judge.
favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out of the
hand
car,
on
step
you. No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail.
No.
Step out of the car, you're going to jail.
Wait,
Come on,
wait a
get out.
minute.
Come on.
Wait a minute.
Damn.
Wait a
Come on,
minute.
she
Okay,
in
let me-
Do it from 0 to 1,000 in 2
let me
seconds.
sign the paper.
It's too late, man.
You're right.
Too late, you're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds.
Sir.
Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Remember, things got to get worse before they comply. Instead of them just complying, you know what I'm saying?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
12 traffic 6, Senator.
This is not right.
10-4.
This is not right. This is not right.
The whole thing is she's mad that she got pulled over. And she's almost by her house.
Okay. You were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen, you were ordered to.
Sir, you just
Explain.
punched me on my
Listen
face.
to me. No. Nobody punched you in your face.
So I can talk.
Stop resisting. You're going to get your resisting charge.
Put your hands behind
Put
your
your
back.
hand behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
Blue team's on this team. Yep.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Nobody
Listen,
punched you.
nobody punched you.
Okay.
We
What?
gave you several lawful orders to exit. And we're recording it too. You were given
She's trying to come up off the
several
police.
lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
All right, we're going to go to the black car.
Can you not push me? No,
You
can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Can you not? Can I put my shoes
Sir.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes
go
on?
get your
sir?
shoes.
Now she got to go to jail.
Chidiara.
Yeah.
Sir.
I'm going to take your license.
No, no. No, these are my property.
Yes,
This
it's
is
going to
my
go with
property.
you.
No.
Lady, you can't go to jail with anything in your possession.
I'm putting sir.
Let go of your license.
Sir.
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
We will get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure you want? I mean, you can't search it.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
All right.
Why are you
sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. I see.
For those who don't know what she just said, boo means the V word, her private part. That's a Creole. She's Haitian, 100%.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing you.
That was so rude.
You're being rude.
You were given several orders. You
No,
didn't.
it's
You didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
No,
we're
it's
gonna
not.
seatbelt you, okay?
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm
Jesus.
gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Put your camera on.
Did you put your camera on when you punched me, though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around
She's
you.
lying. Pretty girl Cam.
Welcome to Pretty Girl Cam.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Hold on.
Lady, he's
Sir,
not,
can you stop
he's
putting
not even
your-
touch you.
You want to hand it to me?
That man
You
was
don't
a
like
whole
black folks, huh?
football field away
That's
from
what
you.
it
I
is.
see that.
Because I didn't do
Maybe
anything.
my wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How
I
do
did
you not know
I
that?
did not do
Oh, she done
anything.
pull out the race card.
Okay.
Don't they always?
I see men handling me like that. For you to men handling me like that.
You were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail, and you said no.
He told me that. I said I do not understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying. And then you called you,
4 times.
push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I
She's
done
sticking to her
wrong?
lie.
Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking my arm.
Sit
No,
back.
the handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be comfortable.
She thinking now. Yo,
Jesus.
So,
She just
I got my camera still running because I'm inventorying.
yes, absolutely.
Jesus is doing overtime right now down in the corner over here.
Had her for 85 and the 45. Gave her the 30 over. I told her, I explained it numerous times. So she kept going. I'm like, you know what? You think I'm lying? I'll call my supervisor.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
I know I'm going to be accused of stealing millions of dollars, so.
You know what she gonna say.
We got headphones. See.
It's all like fruits and vegetables back here.
All right. Just want to make sure we don't.
Yeah, she probably came from a depot. That's like a place where a lot of Haitians shop at to get like fresh fruits and vegetables and spices. That's food you can't really find in when Dixie or Publix or Walmart. You know what I mean? Haitian
This
food.
thing go with
Yeah.
or a firearm or something.
No, it's all
And you leave with it in a box.
fruits and stuff back here. So, I'll get her to the jail.
Sir, what would happen to my car?
It's gonna get towed. I'll give you a tow sheet of where it's going.
Oh damn. All right. Yo, if you liked this video, hit subscribe, like the video. Check out the original channel who provided this video. Support them. They got more body cam videos you might want to watch. All right. So I'm going to see y'all next run. Peace.